Hello and welcome to today's video, which is 100% inspired by the lovely and talented Votino. My name is Gigi. This is Glam Tones. Get yourself a drink and let's do these nails, which don't let the Votino tag scare you at all. These nails were very easy to do, and I think just about anybody could accomplish this set, which is maybe why I picked it. No, I really picked it because they're gorgeous, and I just wanted to make a set that looked like them. Now, my colors are going to be a little bit different from Votino's, but it's super close. So now the three nails that we painted pink are curing. Then we did those two white. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Now, I could have tried to just do the heart shape in pink, but that's not what I chose to do, and this turned out to be very easy, and I think I would do it this way again. But we painted everything pink because we're going to have a negative space where the heart is, right? Now, for me personally, when I draw a heart, if it's a solid heart, I find that very, very easy. But if it is a hollow heart, there's no, color in the middle, then I guess that would be an outline, just an outline of a heart. I find that more difficult, but I saw Votino mark it out with a line and a line, and I didn't do a line, I just did a dot, but giving myself a visual representation of where to go really did help me make the heart. And let me say, it's still not perfect, but it's the best one maybe I've ever done, so I'm super pleased with it. So what I'm going to do is just perfect the heart shape, get it as close as I can on both sides so they match. Now, the one problem was they're not the same size nail, so the heart doesn't match perfectly. I don't know why this got a little bit fuzzy here, but it did. Anyways, so the heart isn't perfect, but I think at a glance it passes, and most people are not going to stare at your nails that long. Maybe this set they would, but I don't think anybody's going to give you a hard time if the heart sides don't perfectly match. It matches enough. It matches enough. Now we are going to do two coats on this, and I'm gonna show you one of the nails, the second coat, just so you can see that it does become much more opaque. And don't forget to cap your edges because that pink will show through. There you go. There you go. Two quick things while we polish these nails. This video is a full day late, and I'm sorry about that, but once again, I had my grandson for 2 full days. He did not want to go home, and actually he asked for a third, but he had a baseball game yesterday, so he had to go home. My throat is also really sore, and my voice is trying to go out, so I'm sorry for the scratchiness of today's voiceover. I do apologize, but we were playing Iron Man versus Red Hulk, and as you can imagine, my grandson, who is almost 4 years old, he's about to turn 4, he wanted to be Iron Man. It was his choice who we were, and I was the Red Hulk. So I did a lot of roaring over the weekend, and so there you go. I did not get a video out to you, and the video I'm giving to you is a little croaky. So now we got our powders out. Now that all the white is white, we're whiten with the white. We're going to come in and color it over the white. So there we go. We've got a bit of a rainbow situation. We're going from like a mauve pink to a blue to a teal to a green to a yellowy green, back and then back the opposite way on down the nail. I love working with these powders so much. There was a lot of this set that was so fun to create. I really loved making the heart. It took me a few tries, and my cleanup brush was definitely put into use. I am cleaning up any residue from the powder that might be on that heart because I really want that heart to be like crystally pink, right? So just make sure there's no powder on there before you put down your base coat. There's some gemmage on here. There's glitter sugaring in this set. So I had a wonderful time making these. And like I said, they're not that hard. They came out so pretty. And I don't think anyone would really struggle making this set. Maybe a little bit with the heart, but if you just give yourself a little grace and take some deep breaths and anchor your pinky, you know, whatever you need to do to just make sure your hand is steady, and just put yourself out some visual guides to go by, I think you could get it done. It's not that hard. And the beauty of it is there's always a little piece of lint-free wipe or paper towel or whatever you have handy, and a spray of alcohol that will help remove any mistakes that you made, and you can start again. So don't let that stop you if you're worried about making the heart. That was the part that gave me the most pause until I kept searching his videos and I saw how he did the heart, and I was like, oh yeah, I can do that. I can totally do that. So I think you can do it. I honestly do. If you do this set, please tag me and let me see what you did, because this set was so fun. You should definitely tag Votino as well, because this was borrowed from his beautiful imaginative brain. I love Votino's work. We've actually done quite a few inspired by Votino sets on the channel, and I'm sure there'll be plenty more to come. Actually, what I want to do is go shopping on his website. Has anybody bought any Votino stuff? Give me your thoughts on the products in the comment section. I want to hear about it. So now we're going to come in and do our gems, and we are going to completely do the entire outline in gems on these hearts. I know you haven't seen the thumbnail yet, but you will see it in a minute. It also has a heart. There you go. Spoiler alert. It also has a heart. These gems are kind of depending on how you look at them, and you can see here, they've got kind of a champagne yellow. If you look at them another way, they look clear. If you look at them another way, they look blue. See right there? So these gems are super fun, and I felt like the shifting in color just kind of went with the whole vibe. So that's why I picked those. I do have AB crystals, and those would have been beautiful as well. There you go. That's the whole heart. That's the whole heart. Now I am going to show you the pinky and the index finger, because they're the glitter ones. And hey, who doesn't love glitter? I'm serious. Glitter. And I know glitter is bad. I know it's bad, guys, but I love it so much. So now we're going to just come in and add a glitter. And that was builder gel that I put on there. I don't worry about the sticky layer because the glitter is fully encapsulating it. No sticky layer is going to get through. I've never struggled with that. As long as you get full coverage with your glitter, you're not going to feel a sticky layer. But the glitter is going to stay in the builder gel better than it does in a top coat. And I'm doing gems as well, so I needed them to stick. There you go. And here we go with that second one. And this is just pure white glitter, so any color is going to show through. So you can do whatever colors you like. Lighter colors might not be as bright through it, like if they're really pale, but all of these are pretty bright. So now here's the thumbnail, and I'm just putting some top coat inside the heart. And then we're going to come in and gently, not getting any top coat on our gems, come in and do the rest of the nail. These were so much fun. Guys, I had such a great time doing this set. I was so inspired by Votino's set, and it just carried me right through this whole thing. I had a wonderful time doing it, and I'm sorry I didn't have it up for you guys yesterday like I normally would, but I had so much fun with my grandson, and he just wore me out that I just fell asleep. I just fell asleep, like I said. Tried to edit, couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. I don't know about you guys. Do you have a channel? Do you find editing sometimes very intense and it's just more than you can handle in the moment? Sometimes editing makes me feel a little, right? I don't know if you heard that, but that's better. It just gives me a little headache sometimes. Not always, just sometimes. And here's our last nail for top coating. There we go. So pretty. It's easy to get it inside this bigger heart because you can just use the brush from the top coat, but That's why you need low brushes, because some spaces need little bitty brushes. I love all my brushes. Honestly, they're so fantastic. And here we are, just finishing up that beautiful, beautiful top coat. I think these would look nice matte as well, but I like the shiny best, I think. I did think about doing a matte, but I don't know, I really like the shiny. Here we are, guys. This is the finished set. Let me know in the comment section how you like these nails or not. If you don't like them, let me know. But would you wear them? Do you think you'd wear this set, even though they are incredibly long? I don't think I could deal with the length for very long, maybe an evening. But the set itself, I would definitely wear a set like this. They are so, so, so pretty. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming by. We're going to see you in the next video. I love you to pieces. Mwah! Bye-bye.